A wind advisory is in effect for our area. Currently in our area, 51 degrees, under partly cloudy skies with windy conditions. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, windy with a mix of clouds and sun. High 43. Winds west-southwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. For tonight, clear with gusty winds. Low 26. Winds west at 20 to 30 miles per hour. On Saturday, mainly sunny. High 36. Winds northwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. And Saturday night, mostly clear, low 28. Winds north-northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.